Hello and welcome to SteelMade. My name is Annie and today I'm going to be unboxing a junior starter kit. Very nicely packaged. Okay, so inside we have the toolkit here, which will include a slotted spatula, a solid spatula, a scraper, a food scraper, and then 2 empty bottles. I usually use 1 bottle for water and the other for oil, but you can put whatever you want in those. And then I see some flat top scrub. Flat top scrub is in a glass bottle, which is why it's in a bubble wrap bag. Flat top scrub is used to get any food particles off of the flat top that does not come off with water and while you're steaming it. Next, looks like flat top oil. Flat top oil is used to help season your flat top. And then, let's see if there's, oh, here it is. We have the manual. Inside the manual packaging is the drip tray for the flat top, so please do not toss it. Oftentimes people think we don't send them the drip tray, but we did. The drip tray is just included in the envelope with the manual. The manual has a ton of information, lots of great pictures, and then it will help you prepare your flat top, how to use it for the first time, how to clean it, and then how to store it properly, everything else like that. So please, please, please review this and make sure you get that drip tray out of there. Okay, now time to get I think the actual flat top out. So let's see if I can do this without making a giant mess. I did it. This is the junior flat top. The junior flat top is designed for the 30-inch stovetops that have 5 burners, which are usually the gas stove burners. So it will cover 3 burners, meaning the middle one, and then 2 side burners. And then you have your drip tray holes over here on the side in the corner. That's where your drip tray will go underneath there. That will leave 2 burners on your stovetop open. So if you have a 5-burner gas stove, this is a great option for you because you'll still have those 2 burners available to put any pots on there so you can boil rice or you can make soup or sauces or whatever you want. So this is a wonderful option for anybody with a 30-inch gas 5-burner stove. If you have any questions about these products or any of our SteelMade products, please contact our support team at info@steelmadeusa.com and visit our website steelmadeusa.com and chat with one of our support agents via chat. Thank you and have a great day.